Welcome to your new home. So this is a beautiful home in Beverly Hills, Florida. It's a 2-bed, 1.5 bath home. So you can see there's beautiful living space here. This house can be sold furnished, or the furniture can go if you have your own furnishings. So this would make a great winter Florida home if that's something you're looking for. But I want you to just wander around. I'm glad you made it out today. Just wander around the house. I'll tell you a few things about it as we walk around. So one of the things you will notice is that there's very nice double pane windows. These are tilt windows, so they're upgraded windows. Beautiful dining area, fits a nice sized table. This hallway leads to 2 very spacious bedrooms. We've got a full bathroom, tub shower combo, nicely appointed. You'll also notice some of the features in this house. We've got some decorative window casing throughout the living areas. We've got the marble window sills. This is the one of the guest bedrooms, or I should say the second bedroom, and obviously it works as an office and a spare bedroom. We have a closet system in this closet, so great for storage and organization. You also notice the colors, very nice paint colors in this house, and you know, of course, if you want to change, you can do some other things, but I think it was beautifully painted, very nicely decorated. This is the master bedroom. Tons of space in this room. We've got 2 closets over here with nice shelving in the closets. So you're all set there. And we'll go ahead and head back through the main living area into the kitchen. So the countertops are tile, which is a really neat touch. Everything is nice and clean. We've got the pretty additional decorative border on the countertops. You've got all the appliances, even this slim microwave, which personally I think is all you need in a microwave. You're really not putting anything more in the microwave than what fits in that space, so that's nice space saver. Notice the casing around this window. This is your breakfast nook. Fits a nice table, so you don't have to sit at a formal dining if you don't want to. And then we have a bank of cabinets here for your extra pantry type storage. And then right on to the laundry room. So all of the appliances in this house stay. We've got wood cabinets in the laundry room for extra storage. We've got a half bathroom right here. So that's very convenient, especially because it's right off of the garage. Now this is an oversized garage. So you've got more than one car, you've got some storage area, you've got some closet space in this garage for extra storage. You can never have enough storage here since we don't have basements. It is definitely helpful to have extra space in closets. And this house does have a sprinkler system. The control panel is there, and you have a side door off of the garage to go outside. So in addition to all of that, we have the sunroom. And this is a true sunroom with windows and screens. So this is a very comfortable place, especially this time of year. You can sit out here and just really enjoy the backdrop of the yard and scenery and nature. And let's head on back outside. We've got a little squirrel working his way up the tree there. We've got a citrus tree out back. But look how beautiful this is. This is a large yard, and you've got a buffer of trees there which separates you from the properties behind. So it's just a really pretty setting. And if you wanted to fence this yard for pets, you certainly could do that, and they would have plenty of space to run around and play. The roof on this house was redone in 2007. It is an architectural shingle that you can probably see there, and so should have a few years left on the roof. The HVAC was replaced in 2017, so that is good to go. And this is truly a move-in ready home that you can buy furnished, or you can bring your own furnishings and just start enjoying life in Florida. So if you're interested in this property, or there's anything else I can do for you, I'm your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Give me a call, 352-476-3303.